Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now today I am going to start this video with the topic measurement. Okay, this is the measurement. Okay, in physics this is the second chapter. So what is measurement? Measurement is what here I am going to give you some example, that is a general example. If I'll ask how much is your weight, so what is a weight? That is, you used to say it in kg. Okay, 35 kg, 40 kg, 50 kg, 60 kg, 70 kg, like that. Okay, if I'll ask what is the time, so it is 10 o'clock. What is the length? This is 8 meter long, like that. So this 70 kg, 10 o'clock, 8 meter long, these are the mass, time and the length, and these all are the measurement. Okay, these all are the considered as measurement. So here in this chapter we'll discuss about the measurement, how to measure and what are the units, what are the physical quantities, what are the basal quantities. Okay, so starting from that, physical quantities. What are physical quantities? Anything which we measure is called the physical quantity. That means measurement, anything what you are able to measure. Suppose the liter, okay, the milk you are measuring in liter, that is called the physical quantity. Okay, so here there are two things, size or the magnitude and the SI unit. Whenever you are measuring things, the result will come out in the way of two things, size or the magnitude, okay, and the SI unit will be also included in this. So it is like NU it will be. Okay, just like if it is said as 70 kg, so 70 kg is this, 70 is the number of the size or the magnitude, that means magnitude means how many times, okay, and kg is the unit. Similarly, if I'll talk about time, so that is 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is what? NU. N is the 20 and minute is the unit. So what is that? It is measured, and whatever measurement is there, that is in the form of NU. Now, what are physical quantities? Physical quantities are having two things. As I told you before, physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. So physical quantities are which can be measured. Measured means you can measure milk, you can measure water, you can measure the size, you can measure the length of the box, you can measure the length of the you can say book, okay, the thickness of the book, okay, the distance, anything, these things you can measure. But happiness you cannot measure. Okay, happiness is a, you can say, psychological entity, it is not the physical one. Okay, so now physical quantities are having two quantities, base quantities and derived quantities. Okay, base quantities and derived quantities. So base quantities are basic ones, that means they are the basic of all the quantities. Okay, just like length. Okay, there are 7 physical quantities. Minimum number of physical quantities are 7. Okay, that is the length. Okay, length can be measured into meter. Mass, that is kilogram, and then time, second, then temperature, Kelvin. Intensity of light, that means how much intense light is, that is the candela, and amount of substance, mole. Okay, about these three you will study later on in higher classes. These 4 you will study now. Okay, so these are the basic quantities. Okay, these basic quantities are also known as that base quantities. Okay, you cannot split it into others. Okay, length cannot be split into smaller ones. Length will remain length only. Mass, that will remain mass only. Time, mass, time only. Temperature, that will not get split. So these are the basic quantities and they will form the derived quantities. So these are the derived quantities. Derived quantities are derived, that means brought from the basic quantities, base quantities. Okay, combining basic quantities or base quantities. So they are known as the derived quantities. So here the basic quantities already I have told you: length, mass, temperature, time, current, amount of substances and intensity of light. But when we talk about speed, so speed is what? How much kilometer per hour. So here two quantities you have taken. One is the distance and another is the time. So that's why this if we talk about the bus speed is 30 kilometer per hour. So per hour, kilometer and hour, two things are added over here and they are considered. So distance 30 kilometers and here hour, that is the time. So if in separate, if we see, these two are the basic quantities or the base quantities, and but combinedly they will become a speed. Okay, so they are the derived quantities. So distance, that is the length, and time, here you can see these all are the basic quantities. By combining basic quantities, derived quantities are coming out. Okay, similarly if we talk about area, so area is equal to, the formula is length into breadth. So length, separate, and width, both are the basic quantities and they are forming the derived quantities. So students, hope you all have understood the topics. If you have any doubt or question, you can ask in the comment section below, and the remaining topics will be covered in the next videos. Please like, share it with your classmates, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you and take care.